are lots of ways of making money with online strategies, and most of them are very reliable at the point in which you could be able to drop your current physical and boring job just to live and rely on with this income that will be created by scratch by using your knowledge in a specific niche or even in multiple products. The art of making a review or just explaining the usage of a certain product and later posting a link or place in which viewers can buy that product, and in exchange, you will receive a small commission for every sale that you make with that special link. We call this technique the affiliate marketing strategy, and if you are interested in it, then stay tuned to learn how to build your business from scratch. Let's begin. By the way, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified every time I upload another video like this. I upload videos regularly every week, so make sure you don't lose any. Plus, let me know in a comment below what is your favorite way of making money online. I would love to hear it from you. Affiliate marketing for beginners, complete tutorial for 2020. Learning the basics, Entre Institute. Like it was stated before, affiliate marketing is very easy to understand when it comes to theoretical knowledge, since it's just selling to a specific public a certain product without counting with that stuff in your hands, not necessarily, and in exchange, for every sale that you make with your affiliate link, the program that you selected will pay you a determined commission depending on your niche and what kind of program you selected to your affiliate marketing business. While this is not so important once you get in the practical part, it's important to get the most possible knowledge, and if you want that, then go to the Entre Institute, where you can find some courses by the hand of the CEO Jeff Lerner, a very popular individual that managed to make a fortune of at least $50 million just by using online strategies. You can learn a lot under his tutelage. The good thing about these courses is the fact that you won't be just learning things about affiliate marketing. In fact, that is just the beginning. There are other things that you will acquire, like a more professional attitude towards this kind of online strategies and businesses, learning how to recognize your strong points in these places, and also other strategies that could be alternatives for you in case that you decide to stop with affiliate marketing. Check the Entre Institute to learn more, and remember that studying is important to be capable of handling the practical part better than others. It will be worth it. Starting your affiliate marketing business. Part 1. Select your strategy of displaying products. You may think that the most important part of affiliate marketing is selecting carefully the platform in which you will receive the special links, but this is not recommended at all, at least you at the beginning. Don't put your stress into something that can be decided later. Focus on what kind of strategy would you like to use for the display of the products. It will be a blog, or maybe a YouTube channel. Well, those are not the only options that exist. For that reason, let's discuss every possible option briefly in order to make clear which ones are better for beginners and which are not. Stay tuned. Starting a blog in these days is not difficult. You just need to select a niche and good keywords to build proper traffic. However, it's difficult to get noticed if you don't know a thing about this business idea. For that reason, you need to study some basics before starting your affiliate marketing adventure. So blogs are good, but you need some hard work beforehand and in the future too. Now, when it comes to YouTube channels, social media pages, and podcasts, you need to be more competitive than ever, because your videos, posts, or audios will not be so popular at the beginning, and if you are not careful, then everything will go to waste. For that reason, we would recommend to start with a blog and later create the other options and combine everything to have a good products display strategy. Starting your affiliate marketing business. Part 2. It's time to decide your niche. The second most important thing in affiliate marketing is the kind of products that you are willing to review or sell, and to decide that you will need a niche which will be used for your blog or YouTube channel in order to attract some users and viewers to your reviews or explanations of determined products. Let's put an example. If you are someone that is in love with technology, it's important to be the most consistent and categorized as ever. If you love technology, but more specifically in computers or laptops, then try to review products that could be used with PCs or laptops, or in fact, review pre-built systems that could be sold for good money. There are endless possibilities for your niche idea. Just try to be competitive to keep away the competitors and rivals in the market. Starting your affiliate marketing business. Part 3. Once you got your niche, it's time to build some content or reviews. The first thing that you need to do after you selected successfully your niche is starting making some content or reviews before ever selecting or getting in contact with affiliate marketing programs. Why is this a thing? Well, in these actual days, the best affiliate programs require you to have some experience on the field, or at least a proof that you will be profitable or useful for them. This proof could be your content to blog as well as your YouTube channel. For that reason, you can't go empty-handed to this adventure, otherwise you will be declined very soonly. While making your content, is important to take in mind some aspects. First, an introduction that will explain a problem in everyone's life and also how there are some products that could help to solve that problem partially or completely. After that, it's time to jump into the product review, in which you need to give detail about its features and useful things that could be positive for the ones that buy the specific product. However, you don't need to add things, post the pros and cons if necessary. This will give you a good professional touch, since they will see that you are not a fanboy of a determined brand. You need to be honest and put some facts in your reviews. Finally, it's time for the conclusion, where you will be not only closing the thread but also showing how the problem will be solved with the product in general, and also if it's worthy enough to buy it for determining reasons. If the product is worth it, then be prepared to put your affiliate link in the conclusion to make some good sales. But wait, what is an affiliate link? This question opens the next step. We are almost done. Starting your affiliate marketing business, part 4, selecting the affiliate marketing program. The definitive moment that most have been waiting in this guide. It's finally the time of choosing a good affiliate program. These are the ones that will give you the special links which will be used to make people buy directly from them, and in exchange, you will receive a special commission after every single sale. But you need to be careful in your decision, because not every program is the same. Obviously, if you want to go with the most secure bet, then you will be selecting Amazon or Best Buy's affiliate marketing programs to get started and learn some valuable things for this experience. However, there are other programs that pay more depending on what kind of niche or product you are willing to sell. For example, they will not pay you the same amount of money after selling a book if you compare it with a technological device without caring about the price difference. Don't be greedy and go with a secure bet, at least while you are at your beginnings, because the most important or profitable affiliate programs are paying very much money because they are not accepting everyone on their field. You need to build a solid reputation and fill your blog or YouTube channel with good content or reviews about products if you want to be accepted by other programs. So go with Amazon Affiliates program after following the previous steps. Final step: working on your content and marketing strategies. Now that everything has been settled, it's time to leave everything under your hands. You will need to post regular content to start growing a good community or traffic that will be the one who will be buying the product through your special affiliate link, and after every sacrifice, you will be making your first sales. Remember that this process is not fast at all. Everything will depend on how much time you invest in this kind of practices, and also make sure that you are doing this with effort and dedication. The boring writing style will be noticed right away. Also, try to think in a growth strategy after you reach good sales. Try to expand to YouTube in case that you have a blog, and also look for marketing strategies like social media marketing that can help to boost your page and affiliated venture easily without spending too much money. Good luck and don't give up.